Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to check your renewal date on the Costco app. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and check your renewal date for the Costco app. You're wondering when your next payment's going to be. How do you actually go ahead and check your renewal date on the Costco app? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to hop onto the Costco app. Next, you want to go ahead and make sure that you're logged in. Next, click on account on the middle bottom hand side. And then there's multiple ways you could actually go ahead and check your renewal date. The first way is that you could actually go ahead and click on digital membership card. And as you can see here, it says that my membership expires on October 31st, 2025. The next thing that you want to do is that you could actually go ahead and click on renewal. And this renewal page that you see here is also going to show when your renewal date is with your Costco membership. So with that being said, that right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and check your renewal date on the Costco app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.